How to use Viggy AI. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to Play Store and then search for Viggle AI. This is the app you would be looking for. You just have to install it and then this app is basically an app related to animation. You can make your character and make it move as you want. As you can see from here, the app is very easy to use. After you have installed the app, you can easily get hang of it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.